What is the process for activating an AT&T SIM card online?
Hello there. Are you looking to activate your new AT&T SIM card online? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process. It's easy, quick, and you can do it right from the comfort of your home.
What do you need to get started?
First and foremost, to activate your SIM, you'll need a few things: your new AT&T SIM card, an AT&T account, the phone you want to use the SIM in. Please make sure you have these handy before we get started.
How to activate your AT&T SIM card online.
Let's dive into the steps. 1. Step 1. Log into your AT&T account. Visit the AT&T website and sign into your account using your username and password. 2. Step 2. Find the activation section. Once you're logged in, look for an option that says something like Activate your device or Set up a new device. Click on it. 3. Step 3. Enter your SIM card details. You'll need to enter the SIM card number, which is usually found on the card that your SIM was attached to. It's often called the ICC ID. Enter this number carefully and then proceed. 4. Step 4. Follow the prompts. The website will guide you through the rest of the process. This may include choosing your plan, confirming your phone's compatibility, and entering its IMEI number. 5. Step 5. Confirmation. Once everything is done, you will receive a confirmation message. This indicates that your SIM card activation was successful.
What if I run into problems?
If you encounter any issues during the activation process, don't panic. AT&T provides various support options. You can reach out to them via live chat, phone support, or through their community forums. Always remember to have your account and device details ready when contacting support. And that's it. Now, you know how to activate your AT&T SIM card online. We hope this guide was straightforward and useful. Remember, you can always reach out to AT&T if you face any difficulties during the process. Enjoy your newly activated service.